In this world, there is a vast and mysterious ocean. Let's explore 50 unique and interesting facts about the ocean that will leave you amazed. All right, let's start our adventure in this vast ocean. What do you know about the Pacific Ocean? Did you know that the Pacific Ocean is the largest in the world? Incredible, isn't it? In the ocean, there are fascinating creatures called plankton. They are very tiny, but they are the primary food source for many marine animals. Did you know that the ocean contains about 97% of all the water on Earth? That means only about 3% of the water is left as fresh water. It turns out that the water pressure at the bottom of the ocean is extremely high. At a depth of 1,000 meters, the water pressure can be about 100 times greater than the pressure at the surface. One of the great mysteries of the ocean is the Bermuda Triangle. This area is famous for the mysterious disappearance of ships and planes. What could be the cause? The ocean also has enormous underwater mountains. For example, the Mariana Trench is the deepest trench in the world, with a depth of approximately 11 kilometers. You may know that whales are one of the largest marine animals. But did you know that an adult whale's tongue can weigh up to 2.7 metric tons? That's heavier than an elephant. In the ocean, there are also strange creatures called abyssal animals. They live in very deep depths and have unique adaptations to survive in dark and cold conditions. Great white sharks are famous for their sharp teeth and powerful jaws. But did you know that they can also sleep while swimming? They still need to keep moving to get oxygen from the water. The ocean also has extremely cold places like the North and South Poles. At these very low temperatures, water can freeze into floating ice on the surface of the sea. Did you know that coral reefs are one of the most diverse ecosystems in the world? They are home to many species of fish and other marine creatures. Clouds can also form above the ocean. There is a type of cloud called cumulonimbus, which can grow very large and bring thunderstorms and heavy rain. One of the most amazing marine animals is the jellyfish. Some jellyfish have bioluminescent lights in their bodies, creating a beautiful sight at night. In the ocean, there are also active underwater volcanoes. These volcanic eruptions can release gas, hot water, and even lava on the seafloor. Did you know that the color of the ocean can change? Sometimes, the ocean appears blue, green, or even brown, depending on the sunlight and particles in the water. The ocean is also home to many sunken shipwrecks. Divers often explore these wrecks to learn more about history and marine life. It turns out that the ocean also has unique sounds. These sounds can come from fish, whales, and even underwater volcanic eruptions. One mysterious place in the ocean is the Devil's Triangle. This area is known for the mysterious disappearance of many ships and planes. What actually happens there? In the ocean, there are very strange marine creatures called nautiluses. They have beautiful spiral shells and are one of the oldest creatures on Earth. You may have heard of coral bleaching. It is a natural phenomenon where warm water changes the color of coral reefs to white. This can happen due to extreme temperature changes or pollution. The ocean is also home to many undiscovered species of animals and plants. Scientists are still exploring and discovering new species in the depths of the ocean, expanding our understanding of marine biodiversity. Ocean currents play a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate. They transport heat from the equator to the poles, influencing weather patterns and maintaining the global climate balance. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the largest coral reef system in the world. It spans over 2,300 kilometers and is home to a remarkable variety of marine life. The ocean is a massive carbon sink, absorbing a significant amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This helps mitigate climate change by reducing greenhouse gas levels. The phenomenon known as bioluminescence occurs in the ocean, where certain marine organisms emit light through chemical reactions. This creates stunning displays of glowing waves and illuminated creatures. The ocean's tides are primarily influenced by the gravitational pull of the moon and, to a lesser extent, the sun. These tidal movements impact coastal ecosystems and are harnessed for energy generation in some regions. The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean, is the deepest part of the world's oceans. It reaches a depth of approximately 11 kilometers and remains largely unexplored. Ocean acidification is a concerning consequence of increased carbon dioxide absorption by seawater. It affects marine life, particularly organisms with calcium carbonate shells or skeletons, such as coral reefs and shellfish. The Gulf Stream is a powerful ocean current that originates in the Gulf of Mexico and flows along the eastern coast of the United States. It influences weather patterns and contributes to the mild climate in regions like Western Europe. Mangrove forests are coastal ecosystems found in tropical and subtropical regions. These unique trees thrive in saltwater environments, providing essential habitats for various marine species and acting as natural coastal buffers against storms and erosion. The ocean is a vital source of food for billions of people around the world. Fishing and aquaculture industries rely on sustainable practices to ensure the long-term health of fish populations and ocean ecosystems. The concept of the ocean conveyor belt refers to the global circulation of ocean currents that distribute heat and nutrients around the planet. It plays a significant role in regulating Earth's climate system. Some marine animals, like humpback whales, undertake long-distance migrations covering thousands of kilometers. They navigate using a combination of magnetic fields, celestial cues, and environmental factors. The Dead Sea, located between Jordan and Israel, is an exceptional saltwater lake with such high salinity that it makes swimming or sinking effortless. It is one of the saltiest bodies of water on Earth. Coral reefs are not only breathtakingly beautiful, but also provide essential ecosystem services. They protect coastlines from erosion, support a rich diversity of marine life, and contribute to tourism and recreation. The ocean is home to a wide array of fascinating and diverse ecosystems, including kelp forests, seagrass meadows, estuaries, and deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Each ecosystem hosts its own unique communities of organisms. The Sargasso Sea, located in the Atlantic Ocean, is distinct for its abundance of free-floating brown seaweed called sargassum. It serves as a critical habitat for various marine species, including turtles, fish, and invertebrates. Oil spills pose significant threats to marine life and coastal ecosystems. These environmental disasters can have long-lasting impacts on the health of the ocean, requiring extensive cleanup and restoration effort. The concept of marine protected areas, MPAS, aims to conserve and manage specific regions of the ocean to preserve biodiversity, protect endangered species, and sustain fisheries. The ocean provides numerous recreational activities such as swimming, surfing, snorkeling, and scuba diving. These activities allow people to connect with nature and appreciate the beauty and diversity of marine environments. The ocean plays a crucial role in the water cycle, as it is the primary source of evaporation. When the sun's heat causes water to evaporate from the ocean's surface, it forms clouds, which eventually lead to precipitation and replenish freshwater sources on land. Coral bleaching is a phenomenon that occurs when coral reefs experience stress, such as increased water temperatures or pollution. The corals expel the symbiotic algae living in their tissues, causing them to turn white. If the stress persists, the corals may die, leading to the loss of entire reef ecosystems. Ocean exploration and research are carried out using various technologies, such as remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, ULVs. These tools allow scientists to study and document marine ecosystems, deep-sea environments, and underwater geological features. The ocean is a vast reservoir of minerals and resources, including oil, natural gas, and valuable metals like manganese and copper. Responsible and sustainable extraction practices are necessary to prevent environmental damage and ensure the long-term availability of these resources. Overfishing is a significant concern in many parts of the world. Unsustainable fishing practices, such as excessive harvesting and destructive fishing methods, can deplete fish populations, disrupt marine ecosystems, and threaten the livelihoods of fishing communities. The ocean is home to numerous harmful algal blooms, HABs, or red tides. These blooms are caused by the rapid growth of certain species of algae, producing toxins that can harm marine life and pose risks to human health when consumed through contaminated seafood or water.